Yes, good afternoon, student. In the last chapter, we already completed the mitosis. Now, today we are going to discuss the meiosis. Okay. Then, meiosis is the division, kind of division, in which the cell undergoes two successive divisions, producing four daughter cells. Okay. In the mitosis, we know two daughter cells, but in the case of the meiosis, there are four daughter cells, each containing half of the number of chromosome as compared to the parent cell. In that, the number of chromosome same, okay, as the parental cell, but in this case the number of chromosome are half. So that is the equational division, because the chromosome number remains same, but in the chromosome number reduced to half in this kind of division. So this is the reductional cell division. Okay, this is the reductional cell division. Okay, it means meiosis produce haploid cells. Okay, it produce both the haploid cells, they combine with each other and produce a diploid cell. Then there is a first meiosis division is the reductional division. It reduces the chromosome number. We can check this diagram. Diploid cell, okay, means from the single cell, the cell have the double number of chromosome, same number of chromosome as the parent cell. So it produces two half haploid cells. Okay, these haploid cell again produce the haploid cells. So this kind of division is the reductional division, because the chromosome number remains half. There are the homologous chromosomes. Basically, chromosomes are present in the form of pair of homologous chromosome. Homologous chromosome which are exactly similar in shape and size and bear the same genes. Function भी same होगा, size same होगा, ठीक है, shape भी same होगी. They are the homologous chromosomes. Each pair of homologous chromosomes, one is shared by the male parental and other is shared by the female. Suppose in the case of the human being, we know that there is a fusion of the male and female gametes. ठीक है, can come here. Male produce sperms, they are the haploid cells. Okay, ऐसे ही female produce again ovum. This is the again haploid cell. Both they fuse. Okay, these both fuse with each other. They exchange their genetic material. N plus is equal to 2n number. ठीक है, so 2n number retain. Both the haploid cells produce together, fuse and form the diploid cell basically in the gametes. So this kind of division take place in the reproductive cells of the body and produce haploid cells. Second mitosis division is the equational division. Why this is the equational division? Because you know here the number of chromosome remain same. Haploid chromosomes produce haploid parent daughter cells. Okay, the significance of the meiosis, reproduction. सबसे पहले हमने बोला meiosis जो है that occur in the reproductive organism organs of the body and produce gametes. ठीक है, then both of the ऐसे ही it take place in the anther to produce pollen grains. Okay, or ovules to produce eggs. So in the whether the plant cell, whether the animal cell, it happen in the this kind of vision produce cells in the reproductive organs. Okay, maintenance of the chromosome number constant, this is very important point. It maintain the chromosome number constant in gametes. Chromosome number is haploid. Okay, so that fertilized and normal diploid chromosome restore. So मैंने अभी जैसे समझाया था, both the haploid they fuse with each other and produce diploid cell. Zygote जो बनेगा, this is the zygote ना, ठीक है, this is the डिप्लॉयड सेल। इट मीन्स अगर ये पहले ही डिप्लॉयड होते, 2n होता तो ये क्या हो जाता, 4n हो जाता, तो क्रोमोसोम नंबर का बैलेंस बिगड़ जाता। ठीक है, इसीलिए हमें ये बहुत ही मेयोसिस जो है, दिस इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सेल डिवीज़न टू रिस्टोर द क्रोमोसोम नंबर। वेरिएशंस प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है, रिकॉम्बिनेशंस हो रहे हैं, वेरिएशन प्रोड्यूस होता है। एवोल्यूशन, द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ न्यू स्पीसीज फ्रॉम प्री एग्जिस्टिंग वंस, पुरानी वाली स्पीसीज से ही नई स्पीसीज बन जाती हैं एवोल्यूशन के प्रोसेस के थ्रू, बाय द मेयोसिस। Then this is the important point again, crossing over you can check here। ठीक है, homologous chromosomes are there, they are same but they exchange this, suppose these comes from the mother and these come from the father, they both exchange their these chromosomes, basically these are the two homologous chromosomes, they exchange their material, they exchange their some part, suppose here the crossing over take place। ठीक है, क्या हुआ देखो, you can clearly see here is the exchange of chromatid exchanges parts। ठीक है, ब्लैक वाले का ब्लू का ब्लैक के पास, तो इट मीन्स यहाँ पे रिकॉम्बिनेशंस हो रहे हैं, कुछ नए कॉम्बिनेशंस बन जाते हैं। ठीक है, दिस इज कॉल्ड द क्रॉसिंग ओवर। ठीक है, दिस इज द फिनोमेना इन विच द मैटरनल एंड द पैटर्नल chromatids of homologous chromosome during the first reduction division link together to form the chiasma। chiasma means exchanging over। ठीक है, and exchange the material resulting the genetic recombinations and new varieties produced by this case। this combination provide the numerable variations in the progeny due to which children of the same parents। तो यही कारण है कि हम एक ही पेरेंट्स के बच्चे होने के बावजूद भी हमारे जो करैक्टर है, हमारे जो शेप है, शक्ल है, सूरत है, वो डिफरेंट होती है। ठीक है, तो दिस इज़ द क्रॉसिंग ओवर, दिस मतलब दिस क्रिएट द क्रॉसिंग ओवर क्रिएट द वेरिएशन इन द स्पीसीज। ओके, अप टू हियर द वी हैव completed the meiosis। okay।